1. What is material science? Study of the relationship between a material's structure, properties, processing, and performance. 2. What is a crystal structure? The orderly, repeating arrangement of atoms in a material. 3. Define unit cell. The smallest repeating atomic pattern that defines a crystal structure. 4. What are the common crystal structures in metals? BCC, FCC, and HCP. 5. What is coordination number? Number of nearest neighboring atoms around a central atom. 6. What is atomic packing factor, APF? Fraction of space occupied by atoms in a crystal. 7. What are material defects? Imperfections like point defects, line defects, and surface defects. 8. What is a vacancy defect? Missing atom in the lattice. 9. What is dislocation? A line defect caused by misalignment of atoms. 10. What is slip? Movement of dislocations leading to plastic deformation. 11. What is strain hardening? Increase in strength due to dislocation density increase during plastic deformation. 12. What is recrystallization? Formation of new strain-free grains during heating. 13. What is grain boundary? Interface between two crystals with different orientations. 14. What is phase? A region with uniform structure and properties. 15. What is phase diagram? Graph showing phase stability with temperature and composition. 16. What is eutectic reaction? Liquid transforms into two solid phases at a fixed composition and temperature. 17. What is heat treatment? Controlled heating and cooling to modify mechanical properties. 18. What is annealing? Softening process to improve ductility and reduce hardness. 19. What is quenching? Rapid cooling to increase hardness. 20. What is tempering? Heating quenched steel to reduce brittleness. 21. What is hardness? Resistance to indentation or scratching. 22. What is tensile strength? Maximum stress a material can withstand in tension. 23. What is ductility? Ability to undergo plastic deformation before fracture. 24. What is toughness? Ability to absorb energy before fracture. 25. What is fatigue? Failure of material under cyclic loading. 26. What is creep? Time-dependent deformation at high temperature. 27. What is corrosion? Degradation of metal due to chemical reactions with the environment. 28. What is galvanic corrosion? Corrosion caused by contact between dissimilar metals in an electrolyte. 29. What is passivation? Formation of a protective oxide layer that slows corrosion. 30. What is wear? Material loss due to mechanical action like friction. 31. What are polymers? Large molecules made of repeating monomer units. 32. What is polymerization? Process of converting monomers into polymers. 33. Define thermoplastics. Polymers that soften on heating and harden on cooling repeatedly. 34. Define thermosets. Polymers that harden permanently when heated. 35. What are composites? Materials made by combining two or more different materials to improve properties. 36. Give an example of composite material. Fiberglass, glass fiber plus polymer matrix. 37. What are ceramics? Hard, brittle, heat-resistant inorganic materials. 38. What is sinting? Densification of powder materials by heating below melting point. 39. What is fracture toughness? Material's ability to resist crack propagation. 40. What is Young's modulus? Ratio of stress to strain in elastic region. 41. What is Poisson's ratio? Ratio of lateral strain to axial strain. 42. What is thermal conductivity? Ability of a material to conduct heat. 43. What is electrical conductivity? Ability of a material to allow electric current flow. 44. What is alloying? Adding elements to a metal to improve properties. 45. What is stainless steel? Steel alloy containing chromium for corrosion resistance. 46. What is cast iron? Iron carbon alloy with high carbon content greater than 2%. 47. What is non-destructive testing, NDT? Inspection methods that do not damage the material. 48. What is X-ray diffraction? Technique to determine crystal structure. 49. What is nanomaterial? Material with structural features below 100 nanometers. 50. What is smart material? Material that changes properties in response to external stimuli.